Alright everyone, well it is Saturday and I have decided, after Lorna did it, that I should probably go take the pistol safety course as well. So it's about 7:45 in the morning and I am about to begin my way out to the car. Got the pistol, got all the stuff for it, got some food for along the way, gonna pick up some snacks and gas and head on over. Hopefully we'll get some video out there if they'll let me, and should be a fun day. Talk to you soon. I am almost to the gun range. Traveling back here through the backwoods of New Kent, Virginia. Trying to figure out exactly where this place is. I don't know if you can see here too well, but there is literally nothing out here. So, follow my GPS. Alright, well, it would appear that we have made it. They said this little lion thing here, so I'm going to slowly make my way down into this, which, you know, for a Kia Rio is super fun. Looks like we made it. All right, they're setting things up now. All right, well, made it here. Looks like they're setting everything up. So I'm going to hop out, see what they need me to do or what I can do helping. I'll give you guys a view here and then head on out. So looks like we got a range over that way and people setting up here. The wood pile, the little cabin there. So we'll see how it all goes. Well, it's about 11 o'clock-ish. We just stopped for lunch. Still haven't actually fired, so been here 2 hours-ish. We did a class on firearms, basically the way they work and how bullets look. And then we went over and practiced the 3-step draw, followed by proper sight alignment and reloading procedures. So, figure I'll show you around the place here real quick. Once we get shooting, I will try to take some pictures of that. Right now, everybody is over eating lunch. So, nothing too terrible going on. We're all loaded up like we're about to defend ourselves in an actual combat situation. Been pretty fun. They seem to be pretty knowledgeable about the whole situation. Sub-DO firearms. Since I really didn't get time to get everyone's names and give all the information on Sub-DO firearms, I just wanted to say that this was the place that we used. Both Lorna and I did it there. Very good people. Beatrice and Tom Huptich are in charge of it. I will put a picture of them up right about now. Very nice couple, very professional environment, very good at showing people that absolutely have no idea what they're doing, how to get the basics of it down. No judgments, no arrogance, no tactical environment there, and very, very happy to have had the chance to work with them and hope to keep working with them in the future. And from here on, you should be able to just see kind of what we did for the day, shooting. All right, everybody. I'm not going to really be able to show you the range too much since I'm shooting the whole time. Can't hold this, but you can see the range flag here saying that it's hot. And then we have everybody down here as we walk down. Say hi, everybody. See? See?
I'm gonna close it 'cause
Smile.
there's like 13 people.
Yeah. Go load up both your mags full.
Okay.
Threat!
Get down on the ground, get down on the ground.
He's not listening.
Get down.
Oh, they hear.
Stand and breathe, check your 6, tack reload, and holster up. index that finger on there. So let's try it again. Put that back. Index that finger. Now come up.
All right.
Yep. Dump it. There you go. A little bit easier to control, right?
Yeah.
All right. Bill drill. Stand by. Threat! And clear. Admin loads the pistols. Don't forget to scan and breathe. And check your 6. All right, go ahead and holster up. So your instructors behind you are going to double tap you on the shoulders when it's time to stop, or they may pull you and shove you just for safety. Okay, so just be aware of that. I'm going to yell out threat. That's your command to draw out and start issuing commands. When you hear gun, that's your cue to start moving and shooting. Everyone clear?
How many times to shoot?
Until you run dry.
Ears up so you can hear the gun.
Yep, if you run dry while you're shooting, reload. Okay? Anybody need me to repeat instructions? All right, shooters, are you ready?
Ready.
Fighting stance. Threat!
Stop! Get out of my house!
Stop!
Move! Back!
Stop!
Back!
Get back! Get
Back!
away from her! Get away from her! Gun!
Go.
Reload if you run dry.
Go ahead and scan and breathe.
Yep, scan and breathe. I still want you to scan and breathe even if you reload. And check your 6.
Those are pretty solid hits.
Hey.
House! Get out of my house! I will shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you! Get out of my house! Gun! Don't forget to scan and breathe and check your 6.
All right, and they're making sure everything's safe.
If you crank some rounds
They're
out,
tearing up my
use your
target,
tack
but
reload.
that's all right.
Get out or my dad's gonna shoot you. And then so am I.
Well, you know, that 13-year-old kid that grabbed his dad's AR and shot the 3 robbers.
Two of them. I think there was a 12-year-old.
Go and grab your man.
So that was the end of the training. After that, we all kind of hung around talking for another 10 or 15 minutes and then headed on our way home. A day later, I received my congratulations on completing the Entry to Firearms course, which I will post right here. And the next day, Lorna and I both went over to the clerk of the court and applied for our concealed carry permits. So once we actually get some concealed carry weapons, that will come in handy. But one step at a time. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, I suppose. Maybe I'll one day make some money doing this. But for the 5 of you that do watch, I appreciate it. Have a good day.